How does everybody? This is my latest video. I just wanted to get this on camera so I know what's what. I just recently bought this and I thought, oh look, it's nice. It came a factory seal as well, so it's supposed to come up with a limited edition supersize card inside. So just in case we got something wrong, that's why I'm opening it up on video. And if not, then look at me. Ooh. Got a good deal actually. Can't remember exactly how much off the top of my head. Unfortunately, I wish I did. That's the wrapper off. The camera knows how to behave itself. Got a nice checklist as well, so we know how many cards they are. Oh, there's a German checklist as well, and the French checklist. The 76 base and the 13 normal chase ones. This is the oversized card to say. It's Pikachu. Number 20. Oh, not going to be a gem mint condition, unfortunately, because if we can get there, we got a little thing right there. But it's going to get graded anyhow, just because it's oversized. It's Pikachu. It's Pokemon. Yeah, you can see that there much more clearly. It's not going to get a 10, I know that, but it's going to get graded anyhow. That's the main reason why I bought it, just in case they somehow the suppliers didn't forgot to put that in or took it out, but they didn't, which is awesome. And this tells you how to put it together using these. So I'm going to do that off camera just because it doesn't look complicated, but ooh, okay. So we've got two checklists. Coming soon, series 3. This is for series 2. Hopefully if I read the bottom there, series 2, and this is for series 3. So we know how many cards we'll get into series 3. So that's nice. I have to see if I can find any of that on a nice website there. Yes, and these are the that's how to do that. These are the pages we put in. I'm not sure which way it goes round, but I am assuming nice. Excuse me one second. Please, yes. Yes. That's my brother. He's making me a nice cup of tea. Well, hopefully it'll be nice. But yes. That's what's on the other side. So yes, it's bigger than the normal trading card. I've got a baseball trading card, as you can see, to measure up against it. Both from Topps anyhow, so. But yeah, once this is graded, of course, the price of this alone will be covers more than covers the price of this. But I got this so I can start collecting the cards, series 2 cards, and pop them in there. I know it's the official binder for the cards. This is just gravy. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching this nice short little video. Hopefully you've liked this video. Please subscribe and yeah, and like of course, and comment down below. That'll be awesome of you. and thank you for watching. Bye, Z's.